Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create a new project on the Quire website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the website, and after going to the website, as you can see, you will be get this bar. So we have to click on this bar, and after clicking on this, as you can see, you will be able to get the plus icon here. So we have to click on the plus icon, and after clicking on this, as you can see, has an option for the add project. So we have to click on the add project. And after clicking on the add project, as you can see, now we have to provide the project name here. For example, I'm going to provide the project name like the editing. And after that, as you can see, if you want to choose a template, you can also choose the template as well, but I don't want to choose the template, so we have to click on the create. Let's click on the create. And after creating the project, as you can see, now simply we need to add the task. And after creating the project, as you can see, now you have to provide the task. For example, I'm going to provide the task like the edit your videos. Let's click on the edit your video. And after clicking on edit your video, as you can see, your project will be created. So in this way you can create your project. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.